Okay, Michelle, it's Rice Krispie time. Hey friends, welcome to Sweetwater Cakes. I'm Michelle. Today we're going to take a cake break and we are going to make Rice Krispie Treats. Now these aren't your back of the box Rice Krispie Treats. These are ooey gooey pockets of yumminess. Amazing. Anytime I take these to potlucks or barbecues, people devour them and always ask me for the recipe. So friends, this is for you. So what you need to remember is my ratio, 1 to 1 to 1. 1 butter, 1 marshmallow, 1 Rice Krispie. So in this case, I'm using 8. So 8 tablespoons of butter, 8 cups of Rice Krispies, and 8 cups of marshmallows. We also have a few bonus ingredients. So I have a teaspoon of vanilla and extra marshmallows. So my friends, let's get started, sweeten the world, and make some yummy Rice Krispies. First thing I'm going to do is grease my pan. I'm just using a little bit of Crisco shortening and a pastry brush to wipe my pan, make it nice and buttery so it doesn't slide around. Next thing I'm going to do is melt my butter. And I'm going to just melt it and melt it. While the butter is melting, let me give you a little bit of Rice Krispie treat history. They were invented in 1939 by Melita Jensen and Mildred Day. Guess what company they worked for? You guessed it, Kellogg's. They decided to make this yummy, delicious treat as a fundraiser for the Campfire Girls. Do you think that the Campfire Girls were competing against the Girl Scout cookies with their Rice Krispie Treats? All right, my butter is ready. Now notice here how it's bubbly, but underneath it is a little bit brown. We want the butter to be brown. It'll smell even a little bit nutty. Once I have that, I'm going to add my 8 cups of marshmallows right into the pot, stir it up, melt those marshmallows as best as you can, and then time to add the first bonus ingredient, which is vanilla. Or is it really the second bonus ingredient, because the first is extra butter that's browned. We'll say second. Second bonus ingredient, which is vanilla. And as you put in the vanilla, because the pan is so hot, it likes to sizzle a little bit. Ooh, sizzly. Next thing I'm going to do, add my Rice Krispie Treats and stir it up. Third bonus ingredient, extra marshmallows. Now, you have to be careful, because if you're like me, you tend to eat the marshmallows, the extra marshmallows, while you're making the Rice Krispie Treats, and you don't want to eat all the extra marshmallows. So just be careful of this, my friends. The extra marshmallows here are actually going to make the Rice Krispies have pockets of ooey gooey goodness. It is so delicious, I can't even tell you. Okay, next thing we're going to do, put it in the pan, our nicely greased pan, and here's a trick. Wet your hands as you press the Rice Krispies down, and it will actually not stick to your hands. That's it, let these cool, and they are ooey gooey goodness and yummy. So let me cut into them here, and we can take a look. Okay, just look at this. See how these pockets of extra marshmallows just make it so nice, and the extra butter really gives it so much more flavor. Oh, you guys, you're literally going to love this recipe. I can promise you, these are the best Rice Krispie Treats in the world. Say goodbye to those store-bought Rice Krispies and the back of the box. This is where it's at. If you liked my tips and tricks, give this video a thumbs up. And if you have any tips or tricks of your own, or you really liked mine, just comment down below and tell us what they are. I would love to read them so that collectively we can make the best Rice Krispies. Thank you so much for watching. Have a beautiful day and go sweeten the world. now that the video is over, I do have a disclaimer. If you eat too many Rice Krispie Treats, you will get a stomach ache. I know this from experience. Don't let my bad mistakes of eating too many Rice Krispie Treats influence you.